This is the 4th grade lesson 9 worksheet. Division. Find the quotient. So for number 1, it's pretty simple. 100 divided by 10 is just 10. And we can check our answer by multiplying 10 times 10. If you multiply a number by 10, you just add a 0 after it. So when you add a 0 after 10, you get 100. Number 2, we have 125 divided by 5. So first, we're going to set this up. 5 goes into 1 0 times. 5 goes into 12 2 times. 2 times 5 is 10. 12 minus 10 is 2. We bring the 5 down. 5 goes into 25 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 minus 25 is 0. So our answer for number 2 is 25. Number 3. We have 216 divided by 36. So first we're going to set this up. 36 goes into 21 0 times. 36 goes into 216 6 times. 6 times 36 is 216. 216 minus 216 is just 0, so the answer for number 3 is 6. Number 4, we have 1024 divided by 8. So 8 goes into 10 once. 10 minus 8 is 2. We bring the 2 down. 8 goes into 22 2 times. 2 times 8 is 16. So we subtract 22 minus 16, which is 6. And then we bring the 4 down. 8 goes into 64 8 times. 8 times 8 is 64. So the answer for number 4 is 128. Number 5, we have 228 divided by 12. 12 goes into 22 once. 22 minus 12 is 10. We bring the 8 down. 12 goes into 108 9 times. 9 times 12 is 108. And when you subtract those two, we get 0. So the answer for number 5 is 19. Number 6, we have 434 divided by 14. 14 goes into 43 3 times. 3 times 14 is 42. 43 minus 42 is 1. We bring the 4 down. 14 goes into 14 once. And we know that 14 times 1 is just 14. 14 minus 14 is 0. So the answer for number 6 is 31. Number 7, we have 297 divided by 11. 11 goes into 29 2 times. 2 times 11 is 22. 29 minus 22 is 7. You bring the 7 down. 11 goes into 77 7 times. 7 times 11 is 77. So the answer for number 7 is 27. Number 8, we have 338 divided by 13. 13 goes into 33 2 times. 2 times 13 is 26. 33 minus 26 is 7. We bring the 8 down. 13 goes into 78 6 times. 6 times 13 is 78. When you subtract those, we get 0. So the answer for number 8 is just 26. Parts of division. Fill in the blank for division. So for number 1, we're trying to find what number divided by 10 is equal to 10. So in order to find the unknown number, we have to multiply the divisor by the quotient. So 10 times 10. We know that if you multiply a number by 10, we add a 0 to the end. So 10 and then a 0. So the unknown number would be 100. Number 2, same thing for here. We just multiply the divisor, which is 12, by the quotient, which is 15. And 15 times 12 is 180. So the number that will go in the blank is 180. Number 3. So again, multiply 19 times 4. 19 times 4 is 76. Number 4. 47 times 28, which is 1,316. So that will be your answer for number 4. 5. So for here, we just, to find the missing number, we just divide the dividend by the quotient. So 98 divided by 7. So 98 divided by 7. 7 goes into 9 one time. 9 minus 7 is 2. You bring the 8 down. 7 goes into 28 4 times. 28 minus 28, 0. So the answer for number 5 would be 14. Word problems. Read the problem and solve. Number 1. Piggy was in charge of 300 children. If he wanted to divide the children into groups of 7, how many groups would there be? How many children would not be in a group? So basically what you do here is you divide 300 divided by 7. And when you do that, 7 goes to 30 4 times. 4 times 7 is 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. We bring a 0 down. 7 goes to 20 2 times. 2 times 7 is 14. 20 minus 14 is 6, meaning we have 6 remaining. So the answer for number 1, there will be 42 groups with 6 remaining.